The general strategy for finding all the live things um, is usually characterized in terms of colors white, gray, and black. So ultimately, black objects are going to be the live objects. We start out by coloring all the objects white to mean not yet known to be live. When there are objects referenced by a variable, those are definitely going to be used, so they go into a gray state. The difference between gray and black is that gray means live, but possibly referring to other things that haven't been checked yet. At the end of this process, and it's easier to see in the pictures, so we'll do that in just a second. Once you've colored everything black that can be colored black by following pointers, then whatever's left must not be live. All the white objects can be deallocated at that point. So again, it's easier in a picture. Here we were in this, suppose we were in this state that was troublesome for reference counting. The variable no longer refers to this island of objects here, so they should be freed. Suppose we get to this point and the garbage collector decides to look at the program and free objects that are not live. So what it'll do is start from the variables here and paint everything that they referenced as gray. So only one of them has a reference, so this object gets marked as gray. Then what the garbage collection algorithm will do is go into a loop. The loop says, is there a gray object? Yes, there is. Then among the gray objects, and there's only one choice here, pick it. And so we're going to draw a green arrow to remind us which one we've picked in this iteration of the loop. From that chosen gray object, follow all of the pointers, and anything that's referenced that's white, change those to gray also. Once you've followed all the pointers in the chosen gray object, then change the color of the gray object to black. And then recur. Start again on the loop. We have two gray objects, so we could pick either one of them. If we pick the one at the top, then we follow all its references. In this case, there are none, so it gets painted black. Are there gray objects left? Yes, there's one down here, so we could pick it. Follow all of its references. There's one right here, so that object gets painted gray. None from here, so now we can color that one black. Are there any gray objects? Yes, there are, so we pick that one. Now we follow the pointers from this gray object, and it does point to something, but it's already painted black, so we don't change it back to gray. It's already been colored as black. We only change the ones that are white to gray. So we leave it alone. There's no other references here. We change it to black. And at this point, we don't have any more gray objects to pick from. So that must mean that everything that is referenced, everything that is live, must be colored black at this point, and all the things that are still white, those can be freed, added to a free list or something like that. And of course our little island of cycles here went away as it's supposed to. Cycles are no problem for garbage collection.